we go, guys. Now we're about to see the drama. I'm out here in Elmwood. Gotta turn. Nah. I'm trying to find a U-turn. Decided to pop a U-turn. I'm gonna go show this on video. I'm on Jefferson Highway. That's Edwards Avenue down there. Alrighty. It looks like they're going to be going to... Whoops. Still cars coming. Still some cars coming. Man. Alright, here we go. So there's this little side street down here that goes on the side of Walmart, and it's flooded full of water. Even Jefferson Highway. See where the Civic's at? What is it? Plantation Drive. Here, look at this. There we go. It's even up in Jefferson Highway a little bit right down here. I'm by Walmart. I'm in Elmwood, Louisiana. That's Clearview Parkway right there. Check that out. That's like a foot deep. 2 feet deep. Just one little low spot where there ain't a drain. Alright guys, y'all take care.